Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Spotlight Cam, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the Ring Spotlight Cam from its box. Take a moment to ensure you have all the components, including the camera, mounting bracket, screws, and the user manual. Find a suitable location for your Spotlight Cam, ideally high enough to capture a wide view of your property. Use the mounting bracket to mark the drill holes on the wall or surface. Make sure the chosen location is within reach of your Wi-Fi network for optimal connectivity. Drill holes at the marked spots and insert the provided wall anchors if necessary. Next, attach the mounting bracket securely to the wall using the provided screws. Carefully align the Ring Spotlight Cam with the bracket and slide it into place until it clicks. Now, it's time to power the device. If you have a wired version, connect the camera to power using the included adapter. For the battery-operated model, insert the rechargeable battery into the camera. Once powered, open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Tap on the option to add a new device and select the Spotlight Cam from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your home Wi-Fi network. Ensure your phone is connected to the same network for a smoother setup process. When prompted, scan the QR code on the camera using the app to complete the setup. Adjust the camera angle for optimal viewing, ensuring it covers the desired area. Test the live view feature in the app to confirm that the camera is functioning properly. Familiarize yourself with the app's features, such as motion detection settings and recording options. Customize your notifications to keep you informed about any activity captured by the camera. Finally, regularly check for firmware updates in the app to keep your device secure and up to date. Your Ring Spotlight Cam is now fully set up and ready to provide increased security for your property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.